Hi first graders. This week we are focusing on where food comes from. The essential question today says, how do we get our food? Read about where breakfast foods come from. And we get to read this story together. So ready? Do your best. Ready? Begin. A look at breakfast. Ready? Begin. Bread is good for breakfast. But this isn't bread yet. It is wheat. Flour will be made from the wheat. And I'll move a little so you can see the wheat. And in the green box, it says the wheat is crushed to make flour. Okay, ready? Begin. First, dough is made. Next, the dough is shaped and baked. Then, it is done. It is bread. Last, the bread is put in bags. Let me move over so you can see. Ready? Begin. Grape jam is good on bread, but this isn't jam yet. It is a grapevine full of grapes. And in the box it says, grapes grow on vines and then are picked when they are ripe. I'll go up here. Ready? Begin. Trucks take the grapes to a plant. That's a building. Every grape is crushed to make mush. After that, the mush is cooked. Now it is grape jam. Yum! Ready? Begin. Orange juice is good for breakfast. 2. Lots and lots of sun makes oranges big and ripe. They will taste good. Soon the big, ripe oranges will get pulled down. Ready? Begin. Trucks take piles and piles of oranges to a plant. Then they get washed. Next, they get crushed. Big sacks get filled with juice. I'll show you the picture. Ready? Begin. The food is shipped in trucks to shops. It is stacked up. Now it is for sale. People will buy it and bring it home. It will make a good breakfast. Okay. Ready? Begin. It takes work to make food for breakfast. And you can see this chart. It says food, where it comes from, and how it's made. So bread is wheat, and wheat is crushed into flour, then dough is made, then dough is baked into bread. We have grape jam, we have grapes. Grapes are crushed to make mush. Mush is cooked into jam. And last of all, orange juice. We have oranges, and oranges are crushed into juice. And that's all for today. Thanks for reading with me, everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.